It's critically endangered and rarer in the wild than the kakapo, but a drone flight over a reserve near Wellington has discovered the white-flowered Bartlett's rātā tree, which is exciting for those trying to save it. Gia Garrick explains why.
We don't know much about this tree. There's no rhyme or reason to when it flowers, and scientists have no idea how it pollinates. But we do know there are only 13 left in the wild.
It's very usual to find plants that are new to science, but trees and something as big as this is actually very unusual.
This is the first time that this Bartlett's rātā has flowered, and that's significant because it's from a different gene pool to any of the other trees that have flowered in this reserve before.
There are 3 populations that are known, and we have trees from 2 of those populations.
Scientists and ecologists are running tests to find out how this rātā's pollination works.
We have an exclusion experiment where we're excluding all pollinators to see if it will pollinate itself. And then we have a number of other sites where we've artificially pollinated.
They then want to cross-pollinate with the newly flowering tree.
Getting pollen from another tree, bring it into this one.
Scientists hope they'll be able to prevent the tree from becoming extinct, but it's also facing other threats similar to the pahutakawa from possums and myrtle rust.
The myrtle rust is pretty bad because it will damage the flowers, and if you damage the flowers then you don't have fruits, and therefore you don't have seeds. And when you have a species that doesn't like its own pollen, that adds another level of difficulty in the reproduction.
A difficult process with an unusual tree, but one that's unique to Aotearoa. Gia Garrick, 1 News.